Hello friends, today we will deal with a Nonic equations. It's a polynomial of degree 9 and its expanded form is this here. So we will not deal with this complicated form. So I will just replace here this x cube minus 6 with y. So y will be equal to x cube minus 6. If I will replace x cube minus 6 with y, then our above equation will become y cube is equal to x plus 6. So from here I got two equations. Y is equal to x cube minus 6 and y cube is equal to x plus 6. So from here 6 will be equal to x cube minus y, and from this equation 6 will be equal to y cube minus x. So if left hand sides of these two equations are equal, that means its right hand side are also equal. So I can write it as y cube minus x is equal to x cube minus y. So I can simplify this equation as y cube minus x plus y, and it will be equal to 0. Now you can see that it is the form of an identity, so I will just expand it. It will be y minus x times y square plus yx plus x square, and it will become plus 1 times y minus x, and it will be equal to 0. Now you can see that y minus x is a common factor in both terms, so I will take y minus x is common, so it will become y square plus yx plus x square plus 1, and it will be equal to 0. Now here we have two solutions, that y minus x is equal to 0 and this equation will also be equal to 0. So when y minus x is equal to 0, it means y is equal to x. But y is equal to x cube minus 6, so it will become x cube minus 6 is equal to x. Now it is a cubic equation. So first of all, I will find the solution by guess and check. If I will substitute here x is equal to 2, then it will become 2 cube, which is equal to 8, and 8 minus 6 will be 2, which is equal to 2. It means x is equal to 2 is one of the solution of this equation. Okay, now I will also solve this equation as I can write it as x cube minus x minus 6 is equal to 0. As we know that x is equal to 2 is the solution of this equation, so it means x minus 2 is one of the factor of this equation by factor theorem. So you can also divide this equation with x minus 2 by long division and get the another equation or another polynomial in the quadratic form, or you can also solve this by synthetic division and another way to solve it by grouping and factorization. So I will use here grouping and factorization, as I will write it as x cube minus 2x square. Here x square is missing, so I will just write here negative 2x square and also positive 2x square. And this minus x can be written as minus 4x plus 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, so from these two terms I have x square is common and it will be x minus 2. Now 2 is a common factor and x is also, so it will be x minus 2. And from here 3 is a common factor and it will be x minus 2 is equal to 0. Now you can see that in all terms we have x minus 2 is common, and our new polynomial will be x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. Now we know that x minus 2 is a factor of this equation. Now we have another equation which is a quadratic equation. So I will apply here quadratic formula. So first of all, x minus 2 is equal to 0. It means x is equal to 2. Now we will solve this quadratic equation, which is x square plus 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. I will apply here quadratic formula. So it will become x is equal to negative b, so it will be negative 2 plus minus square root of b square, so it will be 4 minus 4 times a, and c will be 12 divided by 2 times 1 will be 2. So from here x will be equal to negative 2 plus minus square root of 4 minus 12 will be negative 8 divided by 2. And we can also simplify it as negative 2 plus minus 2 times square root of 2, and negative square root of 1 will be iota divided by 2. Now you can see that here 2 is common, so when we'll take out common 2, so this 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, and the value of x will be negative 1 plus minus square root of 2 iota. So it is the final value of x. So here we have three values of x. First value of x is 2. Second one is negative 1 plus square root of 2 iota, and the third one is negative 1 minus square root of 2 iota. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel and also comment and share. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.